Hello guys, once again you all are welcome in my channel. Today video is going to be a very important, and I hope you will like this video, and if you like, kindly share and subscribe my channel. So without wasting time, let us start this video. Are very interesting. How this AR and VR are different from each other. You know, if you talk with any one of your friend, they will tell you the full form of this AR and VR, because right now this is the next generation, the next world is of AR and VR only. Now, what is this AR and what is VR? Let us see this. See, AR is the augmented reality, and VR is virtual reality. Some people do not know the difference between these two. They thought these two words are same. There is only difference of A and B in these two world, but it is not exactly. Now let me elaborate this thing AR and VR in a very easy way. See, in virtual reality, what will happen? In virtual reality, you have this kind of virtual reality box with you, in which you can place your mobile and go into the some in another world, like if you heard about the game like Jurassic Park, and in which there are so many dinosaurs. And also there is one game where there is a there is a what we call it, there is a swing like this, and that is what we call the roller coaster. So the roller coaster, and and these are the this is the media where you go to see this object through this box. This is what we call virtual reality. Means you yourself go into the some another world, where you feel the experience of the that particular thing. This is what we call VR. But what is augmented reality, AR? Augmented reality, if you heard about the game named Pokemon Go, in Pokemon Go, what you observe in your mobile, you have like a Pokemon. You sort out, you you find some Pokemon, and it is displaying in your mobile. This is what we call augmented reality. Means the another persons are coming into your world. See, there are two kinds of world. One is the real world, and one is what we call virtual world. So in real world, where you live, if somebody, if you are in the real world and you go into the virtual world, this is what we call virtual reality. And how you go? You can only go through this VR box. And in augmented reality, the that particular object will come into your real world. Like in Pokemon Go, the Pokemon come into your mobile. This is what we call augmented reality. I think within this short video, you can understand the AR and VR in the better way. One thing more I would like to explain here. See, this virtual reality is, it is upcoming in future. This is the only, the area where the most of the people are working. This is because, human is, as a nature of human, they are very lonely in this world. So they need, to attract somebody towards them. So they need these kind of virtual world where they can interact with the people, or they interact with the different things. So this virtual reality is needed. It is one of the basic need of the person. So I hope you understand what is AR and VR. And right now, there in this world, there is a mixed reality is used. In mixed reality means, now I think everybody understand this also. The mixed reality means it is a mixture of AR and VR. Means you can go to their world also. Means there means some virtual world also, and virtual world things will come to you also in your world through the gadgets. So this is what we call mixed reality or hybrid reality. I hope I convey. explain these AR, VR, and you know the mixed reality and hybrid reality in a easy way. If you like this video, kindly share and subscribe my channel. We will come back soon with the new videos and with the new concept. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.